I'm so excited because I really wanted them. They're 1 penny. Look for more of these because it's 1 penny, okay?
Okay, can you open?
I guess. You're going to drink coffee? Oh, you cannot act like you found it because I found it.
No, I.
More. These are beautiful. Oh, these are beautiful too.
These aren't mine. No.
Oh
These
my
are.
gosh.
What about these? What about these? What about these?
Oh, no. No, not those. These are not either. I think we've been here too long. Oh, did I only find 2? Did I only find 2 of these, Addie?
Yes.
I thought there's more. Maybe. I was just so excited, thinking, ha, there is more. There's 3, Addison. We gotta go. We got too much stuff already. I want to ask you a big favor. Over 50% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Please go down there, click subscribe. That way I can bring you more awesome entertainment. Every time you hit that like button, I'm going to send you luck, like through my body, through my soul, into your spirit. You're going to get it, guys. You deserve it. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to comment what your favorite penny item is. I'm on TikTok. Make sure to go over there and follow me and give me a like. Comment all your questions down below. I will answer them with a short. Oh my gosh, guys, this is entertainment because a lot of these items have actually reset sometimes depending on when you're watching this video. Also, disclaimer, I am blessed to have sponsorships and affiliate links. Thank you, guys. I love you so much. Just a reminder, if you find any items with an expiration date, they are not supposed to sell expired items. Hey y'all, it's the Country Couponer. I want to let you know that penny shopping is super duper fun, but never ask Dollar General employees about penny items. Always be nice and scan with your Dollar General app. And if for some reason you don't know what you're doing, do not ask employees. Do not ask the people around you. Do not say the word penny, okay, y'all? You be nice and you take care of the store and the store will take care of you, okay? Have fun, guys. I do everyday penny shopping and do videos on that. And I also do Dollar General remodel videos. These remodel stores are store-specific pennies, so do not think you can get these items for a penny. Post your zip code in the comments of any and all of my videos. Click that bell, guys. Huge thank you to everyone that supplies the penny list. I primarily go with Christie's Connection and Crazy Coupons. They are the best. They have their own sources and do the best job. If you love my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to contribute, help support me and my sister, join my membership. You get specialty loyalty badges and exclusive videos. That way we can continue doing what we do. Now, back to the show. Alright guys, I'm looking. These silkier looking ones are 1 penny. Hey, you found something.
No. Put that back. We do that.
Stop.
Put it back.
No, they're 1 penny. Put them up.
Okay, I'll put it up.
Oh, no, Addison.
Mom,
come on, be nice.
We do not need this stuff. We've been here for like 4 hours.
I doubt it's been 4
I'm
hours.
tired. I'm
skin, look how wrinkly I am. I'm getting old. Okay, go put it in the... I'm almost done. I'm like, this is the last place, okay?
Where's your credit
I'm almost
card?
done.
Honestly, I'll go and check.
I'll give it to you right now.
What's your pen?
I don't have a pen. All of these are. Hold on. I think all of these are. What's the UPC on those? Get them out of there, Addison.
Okay, no. After you do this,
3, 5, 4, 2. They're all different.
The stuff on the counter, okay?
You're gonna wait for me, okay? So these right here are. It says 5A36. That's the only thing I could find that's different because these start with an R. R4, R4, R. All these are full price, $9. R. So it's just the older ones. It looks like that starts with a 5. Is that a 5 or a 6? I don't know what that is. Whatever that is. See what these start with. These are probably ours too. Yeah, these are ours too. So you gotta look at the, like, really look, scan everything. 5A6. I wonder 5A. R. These two on the bottom are 5s. I'm so right. These two are 1 pente. These are full price. I'm such a skilled shopper. All right, so we got 5A36. Got both of those. Put them over here. And then we got 2 of these. 5A36. 5A36. We got those. And then we're gonna fold these and make them all pretty. That one's 8. There's no AS. There's an AS on that one. We're gonna redo that, but we're gonna finish checking all these before we do that. R4, R4, R4. No, yeah, R4, and then we have R420. Is that everything? I think it is. Put that back. Let's double check these. R4, 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 R4. All right. And then I already scanned those. R5. Ooh, we're getting on up in there. R5. It's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. That looks halfway decent, right? I think it's better than the way I came. I wonder if any of these other ones are. What is that? R5. Oh, that one's fancy. That's old school. I need to scan that junk. R5. It is. Ow, ow, ow. Listen. It's a weirder label. Damn. Find too much stuff.
No. If I cannot find it, I will cry so bad. Because I found the most cutest nails in the world, and
You like
I have
cute
no
nails?
clue how to explain it.
But you just lost them? You lost them?
No, there's somewhere down there.
What did you say? These are what?
Tea.
What's a tea?
Delicious.
Baddie. What? No, don't open them. We haven't bought them.
Oh,
Do you think you deserve these? They have bows, babe.
Do they have glue in them?
We'll have to get some glue. I think I have glue. It probably has some glue in it, but we don't use it.
I looked. There isn't any in them.
Really?
Yeah. What is this? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Someone's mama said no.
No, go. Ooh, oh.
Ooh, someone's mama said no.
Yeah, you're such a good actor. I don't think you're going to make it in the acting world. She cannot be authentic.
Oh, Mom, look, someone's mama said no.
Girl, I have been looking for this key in there. Everybody. Right back.
Oh, sorry. Hey, how are you?
Did we get
I'm doing good. No,
Okay, because I thought.
but we are buying these?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to help me? Yeah? Thank you. $7 for your nails. Do you think you deserve $7 nails?
It's called birthday.
Yeah, she wants all the food first. That is a lot of food. Go ahead and just give it to her. She's waiting on you. Thank you. Yeah, well, go get another basket, please.
Okay. Well,
Thank you, babe. She's getting it. Just bring both of them, Addie. Why not? Just bring them. Oh, go get the one outside. Not the one with stuff in it, though. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
another bag.
Do you want one? I can put it in your car if you need me to.
Okay, please.
No problem. And you can have one of these, or a couple. You can have a couple. Addie, your candy. Just put it in. All right, shut the door back. Make sure your stuff, that it's just her stuff. I think. What are you doing? Oh, what is that? Oh, we got too much stuff. Where's my jacket?
Probably left it.
Left it where?
In the car, maybe.
All right, guys, it's so freezing out here. What do you have anything to say to the people? Are you excited about all the pennies we got? We got so many awesome pennies. We got silverware. We got, what else? Shirts. We got silverware, shirts, notepads, planner, legal pads. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe to my awesome channel and go pancake shopping anytime you can. And Addison might be sick now. Anyways, we scored humongously large. I spent $156. I think it was something like that. Hope it wasn't more. But it was too much money, but we paid it. And now we're going to go home and get ready to be locked inside of our house for over a week because the ice storm is coming tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video.
It's already snowing a little.
Oh my gosh.
It's already snowing a little.
Yeah. All right, guys. So this is totally the next video you totally need to watch right above her head. What are you doing?
Licking the video.
That's weird.
Eat it, video. Eat it. Yum, 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 yum.